Welcome to EdTech Explained, the video series which will share one powerful educational technology tool that you can use in your classroom in just a few minutes. Today I'll explain how Canva for Education can help you and your students design anything. Canva is an online design software created by Australian entrepreneur Melanie Perkins in 2012. The big idea behind Canva is to allow anyone to create high-quality graphic designs including posters, documents, presentations, and social media posts. This is done through Canva's easy-to-use design interface, as well as making thousands of professional templates available to users which can easily be modified. Now, as Canva grew in popularity over the years, it slowly began to launch different products on its platform, including Canva for Education in 2019, which provides a version of their paid service to any active educator for free. More on that in a minute. After logging into Canva, you'll see many design options. Everything from videos, presentations, animated GIFs, resumes, report covers, stickers, and so much more. There's even specific education content such as online whiteboard templates and worksheets. Once you find a template that you like, you can easily modify it. Canva doesn't really lock you into these templates, so you can change just about everything. The tools available are very user-friendly as well. You don't need any experience to design with Canva. While the templates are great, one of the things that I really like about Canva is the wide array of media that's available to use. For example, searching the term mountains is going to generate results for photos, graphics, images, and much more. You'll even notice items available specifically for Canva for Education users as well. You can use these media elements as well as the features of Canva in so many different ways. Of course, you can easily upload your own content as well. Now, depending on the project that you choose, you can also share your work directly as a URL or choose from one of the many file types to download. There's even a live presentation mode where your audience can follow along on their device in real time. You can even co-author a project in real time using Canva's collaboration features. These are just a few of the features available in Canva, but trust me, there are so many other educational uses. Here's a few ideas on the screen. Typically, Canva is a freemium service, meaning the basic service is free, but to access more options, you'll need to purchase a subscription. Fortunately for teachers, there's Canva for Education, a special version with many pro features available. The service is 100% free, but teachers will need to verify their teaching credentials to get access. And if you are eligible, not only does Canva for Education give you access as a teacher, but it will also provide your students with access to all the same features. You can create a number of different classes and invite students to create their own designs, with parental permission, of course. How cool would it be to have 4 or 5 students all authoring a design at the same exact time? And as a teacher, you'll be able to review everyone's work inside the account. So between the amazing design options available for teachers and students, I think Canva is definitely a program that you'll want to explore. There's so many different types of media that you can create, it's user-friendly, and the end product looks way more professional than other programs that you might use, like Google Drawings or even Adobe Spark. So if you're interested in designing or creating visual materials for your classroom, I would definitely recommend checking out Canva for Education. So that's it. Let me know your thoughts on Canva for Education. Leave a comment below, and if you like these videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel.